Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kennebec County in south central Maine, northwestern Knox County in south central Maine, southwestern Waldo County in south central Maine, northeastern Lincoln County in south central Maine, until 1:30 p.m. At 1:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Farmingdale, or near Gardiner, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Augusta, Gardiner, Camden, Lincolnville, China, Farmingdale, Hallowell, Liberty, Rockport, Palermo, Chelsea, Jefferson, Hope, Appleton, Windsor, Piermont, Washington, Pittston, Union, and Somerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maine: Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, and Waldo.